Hello, good morning. I am back after 3 days. Grabe. Taga, lagay ko to dito. Ayan. Anyway, life has been both crazy good and crazy bad. Ang daming nangyayari. Kaya nawala din ako for 3 days. And honestly, nawala din talaga ako sa routine ko. Kaya wala din akong ma-film, wala din akong ma-share sa inyo. Wala akong time kasi dami talaga nangyari na na-break ko talaga yung mga routine ko. But, that's already in the past. I am here. I showed up. I'm so proud of myself for showing up. Sobrang proud ako. Dami ko nang nagawa sa routine ko kahit hindi ako super aga or yung ideal time ko na gumising. Ayun lang. I'm so proud of myself. And ano pa bang update sa buhay ko? Wala naman masyado. Ayoko nung masyado mag-update. Share ko na lang yung journal ko, no? Kasi this is what this channel is about. So, ayan. Ito na yung... Dahil nga na-break ko yung routine ko, anong nangyayari talaga sa akin madalas ay na-anxious ako sa bagay-bagay. Kaya nilagay ko dito. Minsan nafe-feel ko na wala na akong ambag. But I guess, meron pa rin. Because people still want to talk to me. People still want to be part of my team. And parang kailangan ko lang i-remind yung sarili ko to not attach my worth to my work. Kasi life isn't about work at the end of the day. I know that I am worthy because I am a child of God. I am loved by God. So, ayun. Yun yung mga nilagay ko. Ano ba? Alam ko na magaling ako and kailangan ko lang i-remind yung sarili ko every time people make me feel na I am not. Because I am really worthy. Mahal ako ng Diyos diba? At ginawa ko ng Diyos, kaya alam ko na magaling ako at worthy ako. Meron kasing mga bagay na minsan nafe-feel mo talaga yon at okay lang kasi human lang naman tayo. We all have our emotions, diba? And di talaga natin maiiwasan na malagay natin yung worthiness natin or yung pagiging enough natin sa labels ng mundo, sa societal standards. Di talaga may iwasan kasi ganun nag-ooperate ang mundo. But gusto ko lang din i-remind yung sarili ko na whatever it is, magaling ako. And I have proven myself and I have proven myself in the past and continuously ginagawa ko yon. Kaya I keep on learning, I keep on evolving kasi I know na magaling ako at marami pa akong ma-share sa mundo. And not everyone will see that in you, diba? Kasi madalas nga nagpo-project ang tao. They won't see those things, those negative things if wala din sila if di din yun present sa buhay nila. Ayun, I just have to constantly remind na it's really not about me but more about themselves. It speaks so much about themselves and not me. Nilagay ko din dito na I don't want to go back to that version of me na maraming hindi nagagawang maganda. Kasi I was so broken. Hindi ko naman yun i-deny. I was so broken because I keep on attaching my worth to my work and the people around me. Yung pag di na ako na-invite, feeling ko di na ako worthy. Pag di na ako napapansin, feeling ko di na ako worthy. Mga ganong bagay. And grabe yung attachment ko sa ganong labels before. Kaya pag nangyayari na siya or hindi na ako napapansin or hindi na ako nai-invite or kumbaga, hindi na ako belong. Nafe-feel ko talaga na hindi na ako worthy and that made me so broken. Kaya ang dami ko ding hindi nagagawang maganda in the past, 'di ba? But I also realized na I am no longer her. I have already evolved in this version. I've worked so much to be in this version of myself. 1 whole year. Nakailang retreat ako and I really took time to know myself and na-realize ko din na that is not me. Maraming nakaapekto sa version ko na yun, kaya ako naging ganun. And I'm no longer holding on to that version because my worth is not defined by the worldly things. I know that I am enough because I am a child of God. And I have to constantly remind myself of that. So, after ko sulat yun, nilagay ko din na I am forgiving all those who hurt me and will hurt me in the future. I am forgiving the past versions of myself who thought I wasn't worthy, who thought she wasn't enough for people. I am forgiving that version of me who was operating in survival mode, who was a people pleaser. It's time to take my power back. I know na magaling ako. I am guided by the divine. I have to trust that belief. Yun lang naman yung nagpa-survive din sa akin in the past. That belief na magaling ako, that belief na guided talaga ako by God. And yung paniniwala na yun, yung pagiging delulo na yun, na-survive niya talaga ako in the past. That I wouldn't be in this version of myself if hindi ko rin napagdaanan yung mga versions ko na yun. I am grateful of those versions. As in, kasi hindi din talaga ako mapupunta sa version ko na to na kikilalanin ko yung sarili ko if hindi din ako nakagawa ng mistake in the past. As in. And kanina, binasa ko din yung book ko na Maktub. Tapos nakalagay doon na parang ang pinaka-worst and terrible weapon daw ng human ay ang word. Yung salita. And sa totoo lang, oo, dahil ang daming nasisira pag meron kang mga nasabing hindi maganda and ang intention mo talaga ay manira, 'di ba? Ang daming posibleng ma-misunderstood through our word. Kaya ako sa totoo lang, nag-iingat na rin ako sa mga sasabihin ko because I know how it feels to be on the other end then. I know how it feels and I know how hurtful it is. I know kung ano yung mga posibleng mawala sa mga tao. And I'm trying to regain my power because not everyone will actually understand you. Not everyone will believe you, 'di ba? And yun talaga ang buhay. Meron talagang yin and yang. Hindi naman po pwedeng lahat ng tao ay naniniwala sa iyo, 'di ba? Kasi hindi ka din mag-evolve as a person. Kaya ayun, I hope you take some time to forgive the past versions of you and take your power back. And I hope mas maging careful din tayo sa words na sasabihin natin dahil marami talaga ang maapektuhan if meron tayong mga sinasabi na hindi naman maganda or hindi totoo kasi nga 'di ba not everyone will believe and some people will believe it. So we really have to be careful. Kaya mas maganda na you take some time to ground yourself. Kaya hindi din ako nagfi-film or nagvi-video for the past 3 days because I know that I am not grounded. Ano ba yun? Anong grammar? But anyway, ayun lang naman. I hope we we can be more careful. Kasi alam nyo, our brokenness are always projected eh. Lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa natin sa mundo, it really speaks more about ourselves and not the person on the other end. As in. So, ayun lang. Hindi ko alam kung nag-make sense ba yung sinabi ko, but ayun. I hope to be consistent again. Ayun lang, bye!